My GenStone home project was to take my old boring living room fireplace, as you can see in this photo, and create something new that could serve as a focal point in my living room. So using the GenStone Desert Sunrise collection, this is the fireplace that I created. The colors are warm. It added a lot of really nice color, warm color to a mostly white room, white walls, white ceiling. And I think it turned out really, really nicely. One of the things I did do to help the folks at GenStone understand my project was I took some photos and then laid in some measurements so they knew precisely the number of panels and the number of corner units that I would need, which they did. One other thing that I did, just kind of a tip, I just kind of figured it out, was to create a template. The top of this fireplace is kind of intricate. I used brown butcher's paper. I went up and I taped it together to give me the exact shape that I needed. And once I took that paper down, I was able to use it as a template. And you can see how the top of this was kind of a little bit tricky, but I was able to pull it off and work the GenStone perfectly into the support beam on the ceiling. My advice to anyone would be to take your time. It's easy to work with. I used a table saw to cut the GenStone panels and corners. Use a really nice blade. Use an 80 tooth blade with a fine edge and fine cut, and you'll get the same kind of wonderful results that I did.